Hi guys, I really like my upgraded MN Model D90 Land Rover. So I decided to build a second one. It's brushless and has some nice alloy rims. So, what is it? A pickup truck? A hot rod? Or maybe a hot pick? And yes, it's sitting a little bit lower than the first one. Of course, it also has a 2-speed WPL transmission. This is second gear. As always, it's controlled by my Arduino 2.4 GHz remote. As you can see, I have used a lot of metal upgrade parts. It's sitting extremely low, so I had to shift the entire gearbox assembly upwards, using some 3D printed plates. Of course, it also has Swiss license plates. The battery is a 2S LiPo with JST connector. Parts links can be found in the video description below.
Oops.
Check it out, guys. If you haven't already, subscribe so you don't miss the upcoming build video. So, see you in the next one. Bye!